You may be concerned about how to transfer WhatsApp data from iPhone to Android. As the devices are on different OSs, and the transfer ways are fairly limited. Those could land you in real trouble. Fret not. Today, we'll outline 4 viable ways to help you transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to Android. Method 1. How to backup WhatsApp chat from iPhone to Android with WhatsApp backup feature. iPhone. Open WhatsApp. Sign in. In Settings, Chats, Chat Backup. Tap Backup now. Install WhatsApp. Install WhatsApp on Android. Sign in. Tap Restore for chat transfer. Method 2. How to transfer WhatsApp data from iPhone to Android using Restore Social app. In order to make the process of WhatsApp data transfer from iPhone to Android risk-free, just give Restore Social app a shot. It's your top pick, since it allows you to do that by end-to-end transfer. Method 3. How to transfer WhatsApp messages from iPhone to Android via email chat. iPhone WhatsApp. Settings, Chat History, Email Chat, Pick Chats. Choose Attach Media or Without Media. Enter email. Tap Send. Check email on Android. Method 4. How to transfer WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android via WhatsApp Migrator. iTunes. iPhone Backup. Use WhatsApp Migrator Extractor. Chat Storage. Sklite. Connect Android. Move Chat Storage. Sklite. Android's WhatsApp Migrator. Select iPhone Archive. Backup. Open WhatsApp on Android.